Hey guys, so this is how I make my healthier chicken parmesan. I've made it 4 times this month alone. It's so delicious. You will need some fresh tomatoes, fresh basil, panko, Locatelli cheese, mozzarella, roasted peppers, Italian seasoning, and zucchini. Step number 1, mix your dry ingredients. We have a cup of panko and then a cup of cheese, whether that is Parm Reggiano, Pecorino Romano, whichever one you keep in stock. I always have the Locatelli. I love Locatelli in my pastina and everything I make. So I'll add in a cup of Locatelli, cup of panko, some Italian seasoning, which is your parsley, basil, oregano, some fresh cracked black pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. You don't need that much salt because of the cheese. Then I'm mixing together my eggs with a splash of cream, and we're going to use that to dip our chicken. So just make sure that your chicken is cut really thin. If it's not, you can butterfly it, and we'll dip it in the eggs and then our breading. And just press it really well to make sure the breading's on there. If you want to double dip, you certainly can. So you go in once and then you can dip it in the egg again if you like it a little bit crunchier. Bake the chicken at 425 degrees, and before I pop it in the oven, I just drizzle it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. In the meantime, grab 4 zucchini, and you don't need a spiralizer or any fancy equipment. We're just going to use a vegetable peeler to cut it into thin strips, almost like a faux fettuccine, and just keep peeling until you get to the very end of your zucchini. Then toss it with heirloom tomatoes. I love using color in healthy recipes. It just makes it so much more fun to eat, gives you a fresh summer vibe. Toss it with fresh cracked pepper and olive oil, and then we can pull your chicken out of the oven. It should be a little brown and crispy on top. Add some roasted peppers. These are the Cento orange and red blend. Then we'll top it with fresh buffalo mozzarella and put both the chicken and your zucchini back into the oven for another 10-15 minutes. When the cheese is melted, you can plate it up. It looks like summer on a plate. Adding some fresh strips of basil. It's so filling. You really don't even miss the pasta at all. And this is coming from the biggest pasta lover ever. I usually have leftovers, so I'll serve it the next day with a big kale or spinach salad. And it's so filling and delicious. And you don't feel like you're going to fall asleep after you eat it from all the heavy cheese and greasy stuff. Then I usually top it with a big sprinkle of crushed red peppers and dig. Again, I hope that you guys try this recipe. Let me know what you think and have a delicious day.